In this video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset your iPhone 15. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's actually very easy to do this, and you can do this on literally any iPhone you have. But let's say you want to reset all the settings, go over to your settings application like so, scroll down until you find general, which is under VPN. Once you go ahead and click on general, you're going to see a lot of options here, but scroll down again until you see transfer or reset iPhone. So just go ahead and click on that. Now, right at the bottom, you're going to see erase all content and settings. So that's going to basically be the option if you want to erase it to factory settings. So go ahead and click that. It's going to show all the different things that are going to be erased and everything. So like your apps and data, Apple account, stuff like that. So just go ahead and press continue if you want to go ahead with that. Just make sure you have a backup of things, or you've saved things that you definitely want to save, because everything will be removed and your phone is going to be as good as new whenever you use the erase all content and settings option. If you don't want to erase everything but only erase some things, you can press reset and choose from this list over here as well. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.